Okay, welcome back to class, guys. Today is day 13 of our Excel work hour. So, in this class, what do we want to do? We want to look for the position of all these figures we are having here in our what? In our expenses. Now, how do you go about this? There's a particular function that is going to assist us in doing this. Okay, once again, welcome back to class. My name is Kowiyy CG. I'm a data analyst. I'm also a data analyst. This is instructor. So today we are going to be diving into using a function called match. What does this function does? Match is also a lookup function in which what it does is just to get us the position of a particular value we are looking for. Okay, the first now let us name this our range of cell first. As usual, let's click on this Ctrl Shift down, then Ctrl Shift down, then just name it expenses. Yes, expenses. Okay, now so then from here, say match, just come here and say equals to match. Yes, so you click on this, comma. What is my lookup array? Expenses. Then what my match type? Exacts. You what? Click on this, enter. So just use your autofill to check. If I should come to my row 14, which is going to be my row 15, don't forget because what the first result is my date. So it's going to be what row 15 minus this one. So you can see I have my 2549, 38. So which means I'm going to look for 39, 39, 39. What am I having there? You can see 1516 is there, which is the same thing as what I'm having. So that's how to use match function, and that's how to look for the position of what your value in a what in a range of cells. So thanks for watching. We meet in our class tomorrow. Okay. Now, starting from day 20, you are going to be receiving an assignment. So once I finish a video, I'm going to drop an assignment. So it might be based on the past video we've done, based on the past class we've done, and it might be based on what the current class. Is that clear? So starting from day 15, starting from day 15, you are going to be receiving an assignment so you can practice it. I'm going to give you a data set. So you practice also, then you submit it. I'm going to give you what drop a link where you are going to be submitting what the class exercise. So thanks for watching. We'll meet in our next class. Bye.